Ay, Axel.
Anong saya?
Our first team sa photoshoot, which is the personality outfit, the student outfit, because I'm a student and yung ganitong outfit kasi is usually for mga soft girl, ganyan. Ayun yung gusto ko eh. Because I think it represents me. Ini-erase ko lang yung yung makeup ko. Ito. Kasi parang sobrang nilift niya yung mata ko, which is not so me. Tsaka para bagong look naman. Eye makeup lang naman, guys. Ito na naman ang hindi nag-align. So, ayan. I-erase natin. I'll be back pag nakabihis na ako.
Ay, may naka-video. Mamaya.
Nagulat lang, guys. Hindi ko nakaya.
Okay, then 2, 3, go! Go!
Ano ba? Sorry!